Granted, if you want to make power, you buy an evoX.
Exactly. You heard that too, you guys?
Granted, if you want to make power,
Oh, thank you, baby. He can talk to his little brothers. He can play with his little brothers. He can comprehend and understand things. He's happy now. You know, we used to think that cannabis was bad too. I used to think it was the devil's lettuce and that it caused people to do crazy things. Now I've learned that's not the case at all. Moving to Colorado saved our son.
Yo, what's good, peeps? Welcome to vlog number 11. So I'm over here watching this documentary. As you guys can see, it's called The Legend of 420. It's on Netflix. It's actually a really good documentary. And I personally know someone just like her that thinks marijuana is the devil's lettuce, you know? And it really sucks that people till this day, like, really, we're going into 2018 and people till this day are not aware that marijuana is medicine. Instead, people that are miseducated and they're so narrow-minded or so biased about things, they call it a drug. So this day they call it a drug. So me personally, I used to smoke a lot of weed back in the days, and I never really smoked it to get high. I smoked it to feel better, to feel well, and to be well. You know, it was really medicine for me. But now these days, I cannot smoke anymore because of my job. And here in the New York State, if you're a commercial driver, you actually have to take a drug test randomly. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. And now they're actually giving everybody breathalyzer tests too. I believe I got drug tested about 3 weeks ago. And I just can't chance it. I really can't. As much as I want to smoke it, I really can't, because God forbid there's, you know, one day comes where I have to take a drug test and I have that in my system. That's it for me. No more job, no more nothing. And I have way too many responsibilities for me to even risk that. And it just sucks that marijuana being considered and classified as a drug is the only one that stays in your system for the longest, for up to a month. Now, you look at the opiates, you know, heroin, crack, cocaine, whatever it is, the most it stays in your body is like, what, 2 to 4 hours? And this is something that is way more serious, that is not medicine. It is a drug. Actually, most of the stuff you're taking pharmaceutical-wise is a drug. So as much as I want to get so much into this, you know, I don't want to bore you guys with the whole marijuana talk, but I just find it funny that till this day there's still people thinking just like that lady, until something tragic had to happen, like her son having multiple seizures throughout the day, and she gave him some THC. He's good to go, you know. It's truly, and this is why it's so controversial, because if this was legal all over the United States, the pharmaceuticals will lose so much money, you know. So, but anyways, today, what do we got planned for today? Well, I gotta go do laundry. The Evo 10 needs an oil change. It's cold outside. It is winter, so we're gonna have to do this oil change as fast as we can. The good thing is, the best recommended way to do an oil change is after the engine has been turned on for a while. So this way you could get all that oil out of there, you know. So at least that's gonna be warm, but that has to be knocked out today. And stay tuned. Peace. Oil I like to use. I know a lot of evil guys like to use AMS oil, Castro, but I've always used this oil. Never went wrong. As long as it's full synthetic, you should be fine. You should be using full synthetic on every single car you have, not just an evil. filter. So let's get this oil change done. If you're an Evo 10 owner, I would highly recommend to get this aluminum under tray for the Evo 10. It's pricey, but totally worth it. Just about wraps up this oil change. It's fairly simple to do. There shouldn't be any reason why you're not changing your own oil changes and taking care of your family and changing their oil change too. Just make sure you're using the right tools. Make sure you use full synthetic. I don't care what car you have, full synthetic on every motor. Full synthetic, trust me, your car will last a lot longer. And you know, never be cheap on your vehicle. My brother gave me this awesome analogy back in the days, and this is why I refer my car as woman. My older brother told me once that you got to treat your cars like your woman. Basically, if you don't take care of them, they're gonna break down on you and leave you. Same thing as a woman. If you don't take care of them, they're gonna leave you. So, but anyways, that wraps with this oil change, and I already picked up my little man. I don't know if you guys noticed, but every time I record, it's like OD cloudy outside. Looks like we're living in the UK, but I'm gonna keep on recording. Yo, what is good, peeps? Unfortunately, we had a change of plan. As you guys can tell, it is Saturday. I was supposed to go to a car meet yesterday, and I was not able to. I ended up, hold on, let me show you guys what I got. But first off, I just copped this dope DJI mobile. So I'm going to be taking some dope cinematic scenes with this, and we're going to put it to use tonight. We're actually going to go to this place out here in Long Island where they set up Christmas lights, and we can just drive right through. You can turn on the radio and listen to Christmas music, but we're not going to do that because I am not trying to get copyright because YouTube's a bunch of haters. What do you have to say about that, Junior?
I don't know, man.
What you got to say about what you got to say to the haters, especially that one person that's always disliking this video. My videos. There's always that one person. He hasn't disliked it yet. But what do you got to say to the haters? Haters gonna hate. Potatoes gonna potate.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Pretty much.
So, did you have fun today at seeing Santa Claus? What did he give you?
He gave me PS4 Plus card, a Corvette, GTR, and RX-7. Sweet.
Yeah, so today we also went to my boss's house, and I didn't vlog that because I don't know how he's going to take me recording. You know, it's 2018, and unfortunately people think and haven't seen vloggers, but we do exist out here in the East Coast, so don't get it twisted. But anyways, come with us. Enjoy the ride. You know, you literally have 2 days worth of basically 2 days in one vlog, so it's not like I recorded much today. Just relax all day today. So we're gonna go check out these Christmas lights. Come with us. All right, peeps, that wraps up today's vlog. Thank you so much for joining us. I really appreciate it. Smash that like button if you haven't done so. Just show this video some love. Show my content some love, because then that at least let me know that you're watching it. And shout out to all my new subscribers too, by the way. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I hope you enjoy the content. Stick by. I'm going to have a lot of content coming, especially when the spring and summertime weather gets here. I can't wait. Had a lot of fun at the light show. It was pretty cool. $30 entrance though. Last year it was actually short. Like, you know, honestly, I didn't know if it was worth to go to this year, but this year they actually made it a lot better. So I had a lot of fun, and I always have fun working on Nunu. I mean, I love maintaining that car. You have to maintain your car. Remember that saying, if you don't take care of your woman will walk away. And vice versa with the car. If you don't take care of the car, it will break down. But anyways, I appreciate everybody for tuning in today. And if I do not post anything tomorrow or Christmas, I want to wish you guys a very Merry Christmas. I hope you get everything you asked for, and I hope you spend it with family. Thank you guys so much. Remember, it takes a lot of energy to hate, and it's free to love. Peace.
Baby.